Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Hyundai Sonata. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear such as gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely off and in park or neutral. Position the working vehicle close enough so the jumper cables can comfortably reach both batteries. Always confirm both batteries are 12-volt and appear undamaged before proceeding. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your Sonata's dead battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working car's battery. Next, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the working battery. Finally, connect the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Sonata, away from the battery. With the cables connected, it's time to start the engines. Begin by starting the donor vehicle and letting it run for about 5 minutes to charge the dead battery slightly. After this, try to start your Hyundai Sonata. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a couple of minutes and try again. Once your Sonata starts, let it run for at least 15 minutes to ensure the battery recharges sufficiently. You've successfully jump-started your Sonata. Now, it's crucial to disconnect the cables safely and in the correct order. First, remove the black negative clamp from the unpainted metal surface on your Sonata. Next, disconnect the black negative clamp from the donor battery. Then, remove the red positive clamp from the donor battery. Finally, disconnect the red positive clamp from your Sonata's battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.